this question comes from John, and John wants to know, I work at a gas station / grocery, and there's no way for me to avoid people. If I come down with COVID-19, would I qualify for workers' comp benefits? And again, that question comes from John. Thank you, John. What's your advice for him?
Well, Tamika, I don't believe that would be covered under typical workers' comp. I mean, I believe it's for injuries that occurred on the job. I understand folks may say that I'm sick. I got sick on the job, and therefore I should be compensated under workers' comp. I think there are other things that folks like that can apply for. There's the pandemic unemployment assistance. You can go to the Mississippi Department of Employment Security website and find out information on that. I just don't believe that this would. I don't personally believe that this would fall under workers' comp. Rocky, what's your opinion on that?
I think you're right. I don't think it would typically fall under workers' comp. And another problem that people are going to have if they do try to bring a case, whether it's workers' comp or even for a personal injury, is proving causation, because basically you're going to have to prove that a certain environment or a certain person gave you the coronavirus, and you're going to have to list or figure out everybody you were in contact with over many days or weeks. And it's going to be hard to try and prove when and where you contacted this virus. So, but I don't think normally it would be covered under workers' comp, because if you think to the flu that comes every season, many workers get the flu, but they aren't able to recover under the workers' compensation system. So I think you're right.
But under the federal system right now that under the act that they just passed, you can get assistance if you come down with coronavirus.